I'm Andrea Thomas, a certified physician assistant with SSM Health Medical Group in family practice. So family medicine, we're primary care providers to multiple ages, newborn to geriatric age patients, wide range of services provided, well care, preventative care, acute illness, some procedures also. We kind of consider ourselves the gatekeeper of the patient's care, so we will help manage the referral, also see the progress of what's going on with the referral, and also preventative care, maintenance, making sure they're getting all their screenings done. It is absolutely amazing how great and many resources we have for specialty care. They're right at our fingertips, and they are also very easy to access. The medical record system makes it easy just to contact someone very quickly. So for patient satisfaction and convenience, it's very nice to have that. I really like interacting with the patients, putting them at ease, making them actually want to return back to the office to do the things that we're requesting them that they do. And it's just nice to see them smiling and happy with the provider that they have.